Lawyer reveals new details on the trial's effect on Elaine's career. Since the legal battle between Depp and Amber unfolded, Amber's lawyer, Elaine, has been taking the fall for Amber's lack of credibility, and legal experts believe that she is bound to take another hit, one which might adversely affect her career. Let's find out how. Elaine may have promised to stand by Amber through thick and thin, but a legal expert, Emily D. Baker, has explained how highly likely it is for Elaine's career to bite the dust as a result of all the legal drama. In a YouTube video, Emily unveiled Amber's post-trial motions as written by Elaine.
Been substantial and vast. The different ways they have tried to set aside this complaint have not just been the original motion to strike, original demur, the motion that the UK case should be controlling and therefore this case can't even come to court. I know I'm missing some. And then at the end of evidence, a motion to strike at that point, which we saw argued by mostly Rottenborn and Ben Chu during trial. And now we are getting to another, don't just set aside the jury's verdict, but also set aside the complaint. So they want the jury verdict, yeet the jury verdict. The jury verdict, they want to yeet the entire complaint and alternatively order a new trial. Can you imagine doing this again for 6 weeks? Can you imagine?
She stated Elaine tried to twist Depp's defense and the court verdict. As a matter of fact, Elaine hopes that JD's complaint can be discarded.
Court pointed out specifically that Bredehoft had said the court had never denied a matter of comedy, which was, I believe it was comedy was the issue, which was giving deference to foreign jurisdictions and rulings. And the court said that's simply not true. So the court has already put on the record that what Ms. Bredehoft represented in motions was flatly not true. So when I read something like this is a matter of first impression in Virginia, I also now, after reading the court's ruling saying, no, Ms. Bredehoft, you are misrepresenting things in your motion, that's not the case, I am now reticent to believe that things are as they are being represented. And that's where my hesitancy comes in.
Doesn't Elaine know that we all watched the trial? If this doesn't ruin her reputation, we honestly don't know what would. Moving on, Emily pointed out how much Elaine misrepresented the law and facts of the case so badly in her closing that there were multiple objections and sidebars which they lost. Clearly, all this is doing is destroying the shred of credibility that Elaine has left. Additionally, Emily suggested that Elaine has truly burned enough bridges with her overzealous advocacy. It may explain why she is trying to redo the trial, having done a terrible job at first. Besides, her performance in court got everyone talking, as she completely flustered throughout the trial. Fans' pity for Elaine has transformed to hate and anger, and they have concluded that her career is going to take a hit for Amber's mistakes. One fan wrote, "It is hilarious to me that Elaine is arguing that it is wrong that the jury found Amber Heard defamed Johnny Depp maliciously, all while Elaine's counterclaim argument was Johnny Depp should be held liable with malicious intent for something Adam Waldman said about Amber." Another fan added, "Judge Ascarrett made it explicitly clear to Amber Heard's counsel Elaine Bredehoft June 24, 2022, at the hearing to establish the written judgment that she would not entertain new motions. Nevertheless, Amber Heard and her counsel have done just that." While another fan remarked, holding no words back, "I can't imagine what the judge is thinking after H filed a motion to put aside the verdict award money that she owes JD because there is no supporting evidence. Are you kidding me? She is clearly going crazy. Elaine is as desperate as Amber, but she probably wants to get paid. There is more where that came from, so stay connected."